Hello and welcome to PhotoSet. Today we are going to talk through a new feature we've created that will give you more control over the class photo and which products are available for your parents with the class photo. It is a complex feature to describe, so if you get to the end of the video and you still don't know how it works, please don't hesitate to just give me a buzz and I will talk you through how to set it up for your specific gallery. Okay, so the first thing we would do is go to the Edit Gallery button. Okay, so then we scroll down to the class photo and you'll see we've created a new pinned product icon here, this one. If you click on that, you will see a little box pop up where you can pin or exclude your products to this image. So if you have a class photo and you've now created a class photo product, you can scroll down and find your class photo product and pin this image to that product. So this means that this image will only be able to be purchased by the parents as this image. So please be very careful with these toggles. You don't want to toggle a digital copy or a 6x9 inch print, because then your parents won't be able to buy that product as anything except the class photo. So this pin to product item is only if you have a product called the class photo. Okay, so let's just go over that again. So let's also just go over this column here, which is the exclude button. So this button here means that your parents can not purchase the class photo as a digital copy because you have this little box here ticked. So for me personally, I would always want to be able to sell a digital copy to my parents, so I have cleared that. So now the class photo can be purchased as a digital copy and as a class photo, but be sure not to not to pin the digital copy, because then the digital copy will only be able to be used as the class photo. So the only column here, the only product that should be pinned is a product that is directly related to the class photo. So you've been warned, take care of this column. It is a pin to product column. So if you pin the class photo to that image, it will only be available as that product. Okay, so let's just go over the exclude one again. So we can see now that our class photo is available as digital or a class photo. We cannot purchase the class photo as a 9x6 inch print, but as an ID photos, as a standard school print. All the other products are excluded. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop over to the gallery and show you how this looks for your clients. Okay, so we've popped over here to the gallery. I have highlighted two images, the class photo and the little girl. We go into the where we select our products, into the little basket. You can see the little girl's image is available as all the products that you want to see. The digital copy, 9x6, ID photos. There's no mention of a class photo available with her face. So we've limited that product to only be available with this image that we pinned it to the class photo. We also have the digital copy available as the class photo and also as her face, because we didn't pin the class photo to the digital. So it is going to be a very useful tool for you, but do take care when setting up that your pinning and excluding is for the class photo only. Okay, so if you have any questions or if you want some help setting up your first gallery, please do let me know. I'm happy to help do that for you, and I will speak to you soon. Okay, bye.